Good day. Today we're going to show you how to install Nordiko plastic console to 8'6" high container. Installation of the console to 9'6" high container will be exactly the same, and everything is covered by Nordiko operation manual. It is two-man operation, and we'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's go. First of all, let's just move plastic console and put it into the opening of the shipping container, like this. So left-hand person from here will be holding the console towards container, and right-hand person will be closing the container door over the console, like this. Then left-hand side person will be holding container door with plastic console behind it, and right-hand person will be installing two ratchet straps to hold the console in place. There's no need to over-tighten ratchet straps. It's just enough. They should be tightened just enough to the console firmly pressed against the container. And that's it. So now what we have Nordiko console safely attached to the container, and it will provide gas-tight perimeter for fumigation process.